Hi there. In this video, we will show you how to do an inventory checklist for the stores where items aren't grouped by vendors or designers. Note that we have already made a video regarding the regular inventory checklist. The link will be in the description. This video starts in the Vendor module, Inventory Check tab. Have your colleagues each create their own checklists. Make sure they are appropriately named so you can easily identify them. Note that you need to make sure that everyone scans different items and there is no overlap. Scanning an item more than one times will result in overflow of the good on the final checklist, which you want to avoid. In the end, create a master inventory checklist. This checklist will contain all of the previously scanned items in various checklists. Once done, you will need to open it and start importing every previous checklist. To import the checklist, press the Import Another Checklist button. Then, you can choose the checklist from the drop-down menu. Once you import every checklist into the master checklist, you will be able to export the report to have a full list of inventory items scanned. In addition, you can also do a reconciliation report, which we have also covered in another video. That's it for the process of doing an inventory check for some of the stores. Thanks for watching.